Think with Google, Google Profits for Marketers. Did you know that right now, you can probably find thousands of dollars worth of products online for free? Or that Google lets you zero in on hundreds of niche product ideas with virtually zero effort? The facts are, because Google indexes everything online, chances are that critical digital goodie you're looking for, you can easily find, if you know how to go about it. Well, you're in luck today, because my colleagues, Barbling and Dennis Becker, have just released Google Profits for Marketers. And it reveals techniques the vast majority of your peers never knew could work. This goodie will show you 7 ways to use Google to find profitable product ideas. How to zero in on free-to-use images. Easy to follow step-by-step plan that will help you start mastering Google Profits starting today. But that's not all. To stack up the value, Barb is also including a solution sheet for other ways to monetize Google. So powerful. And the enhancements? You're going to love these. The enhancements include resell and coaching rights, 3-week email coaching course, how to create $97 authority products, product creation resources for 501+ niches. Seriously, you can apply this blueprint to any niche imaginable. See for yourself. Click the link in the description and learn how to make your own products and make and bigger income online.